Tired of trying to find a visual tool that suits your natural thought processes? In this video, we will pit Milanote against Heptabase, two top-notch visual tools to determine which one is better in 2026. So, let's find out. Milanote is a project management and note-taking tool designed for creative individuals or content strategists. The drag-and-drop board allows you to create your notes, add images, links, and files to a completely visual layout that inspires you. Popular uses for the tool include mood boarding, brainstorming sessions, and storyboarding. Milanote features an easy to use and visually appealing interface and provides the option of collaboration, task tracking with a list of to do items, and cloud synchronization. Milanote comes in various packages ranging from the basic $9.99 per month when paid yearly or $12.50 per month to free accounts which offer a total of 100 cards and 10 files. Then we have Heptabase. The Heptabase application can be described as a platform that creates visual representations and knowledge maps that allow users to represent and connect information through interconnected notes, mind maps, and concept boards. The applications allows for real-time synchronization, cross-platform compatibility, tagging, PDF annotation, canvas boards, mind maps, insight generator, and AI chat. The subscription costs start at $11.99 per month or $8.99 per month when billed yearly, and a 7-day free trial period is available for new users, although there is no free version of the platform. The best thing about the Heptabase application is its excellent linked note capabilities and breaking down complex concepts. So, which is better? Milanote offers much more flexibility, visual intuitiveness, and affordability due to a free version option. It works wonderfully for creative professionals who brainstorm and create mood boards for their projects. However, it cannot be used for thorough research or connecting complex concepts. Heptabase, on the other hand, offers advanced features that work perfectly for creating complex information maps and organizing complex data. This program will suit writers, researchers, and students well. Yet, it does not have any permanent free version and is somewhat complex in use when handling basic creative tasks. In case you are working as a creative professional and need a program that provides flexibility, intuitiveness, and allows you to organize ideas visually, go for Milanote. Otherwise, choose Heptabase. Test these two programs and decide which one works better for you. Subscribe for more tech reviews.